Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade mango jelly. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 large, ripe mangoes, yielding roughly 2 cups of smooth puree. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder, 2 cups of water, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of honey, depending on your mango's sweetness. A little fresh lemon juice will brighten the flavor beautifully. Now, let's get our mangoes ready for their transformation into jelly. Begin by peeling and cubing your 2 large, ripe mangoes. Next, place these mango cubes into a blender and process until you achieve a perfectly smooth, lump-free puree. While your mango puree is waiting, take 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder and sprinkle it over 1/2 cup of cold water in a small bowl. Let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes to bloom or rehydrate, which is crucial for a smooth jelly. With your mangoes prepped, it's time to cook our jelly to perfection. In a medium saucepan, combine your smooth mango puree with the remaining 1 1/2 cups of water and your chosen amount of honey. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, letting it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, remove the saucepan from the heat and whisk in your bloomed gelatin until it is completely dissolved. For an extra silky smooth jelly, pass the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, let's prepare our jars and get ready to enjoy your homemade mango jelly. First, sterilize your jars by boiling them in water for a minimum of 10 minutes. This ensures a safe and clean environment for your jelly. Carefully pour the hot mango jelly mixture into your hot, sterile jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Once filled, transfer the jars to the refrigerator and chill them for approximately 3 to 4 hours, or until your delicious mango jelly is perfectly set and ready to savor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.